So how to maximize nutrient retention during cooking? Okay, pretty straightforward. First one is cook vegetable in smaller amount of water. Second, try at shorter periods at lower temperature. Third one is consume the liquid left in the pan after cooking vegetable. Then you can add back the juices from the meat that drip into the pan, and don't peel the vegetable until after you cooking them. Okay, or probably don't peel them at all to maximize their fiber and nutrient density. Try to eat any cooked vegetable within a day, as their vitamin C content may continue to decline when the cooked food is exposed to air. Then, cut the food after or rather before cooking if possible. When food is cooked whole, less of it exposed to the heat and water. And finally, when cooking meat, poultry and fish, try use the shortest cooking time needed for safe consumption. Okay, so the vegetarian diet. The term plant-based diet describes eating pattern of those who decrease the use of animal product. There are several types of vegetarian diet. For example, semi-vegetarian diet, pesco-vegetarian, lacto-ovo-vegetarian diet, and strict vegetarian diet. Okay, you can read the definition yourself, but basically, the more the list going to the bottom, the more strict the diet is. Alright. So why vegetarian? There are many reasoning or money justification of the diet. For example, because of the religion, or maybe because of the ethics. It can be because of the environment as well, because animal can contribute to a lot of greenhouse gases. It can be because of animal rights, or even because of the economy. Okay, because meat product can be expensive in certain countries. However, people who practice vegetarian can have a lack of several nutrients which is only available in animals. For example, protein, iron, zinc, calcium, vitamin D, vitamin B12, vitamin A, beta-carotene, omega-3 fatty acid, and iodine. So iron is one of the important nutrient for the hemoglobin. However, in the plant, the iron that is present is the iron that is hard to be absorbed by the body. That's why people who consume only vegetable, they can have iron deficiency. Okay, zinc. Okay, if the vegetarian needs zinc in their meal, they need to consume a lot of beans. Okay, for example, soybeans and other beans. It can be also the whole grain. Okay, and they need to eat probably more bread because the yeast in the bread can make zinc more absorbable. If the diet the vegetarian is very strict, they won't even consume the animal product, for example milk. Okay, so some of the vegetarian they need to take calcium supplement to replace the calcium that is lost from the milk. Okay, or they can take some specific vegetable, for example leafy greens, soy product, dairy product. Like I told you, they probably don't take any dairy products, fortified food, and also from the supplement to get the extra calcium that they lost. Also, vitamin D is also present in a huge amount in the animal because animal contains more fat, and vitamin D is actually dissolved in this kind of animal fat. So they need to take vitamin D supplement to top up the vitamin that they lost from the animal product. Okay. Vitamin B12 is also needed to be fortified because no plant food contains significant amount of vitamin B12. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.